In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to create and use proxies for smooth editing, and we'll go step by step through the correct settings. Proxies are lightweight copies of your original clips. You edit using these smaller files, which improves playback performance, but when you export, Premiere automatically uses the original high-quality files. Let's begin. First, go to your project panel and select the clips you want to create proxies for. Right-click on the selected clips. Choose Proxy and then click Create Proxies. Now, the Create Proxies window will open. Under Format, choose QuickTime. Under Preset, select ProRes Proxy. This is a high-quality but lightweight editing codec that works very smoothly. Next, look at the frame size options. First, you can choose half resolution, quarter resolution, or custom. If you're editing 4K footage, choosing half or quarter resolution is usually enough to make playback much smoother. Quarter resolution gives the best performance while half maintains a bit more clarity. Now for location, choose. Next to original media in Proxy, folder this keeps everything organized. Premiere will automatically create a folder called Proxies next to your original footage. After selecting these settings, click OK. Adobe Media Encoder will open automatically and begin generating the proxy files. Once encoding is complete, the proxies will automatically attach to your original clips. Now, let's enable them. Go to your program monitor, click the plus icon to open the button editor. Find the toggle proxies button and drag it into the toolbar. Click OK. Now, click the toggle proxies button to activate proxies. When enabled, Premiere uses the smaller proxy files for smoother playback. When disabled, it switches back to the full resolution originals. Remember, no matter what, Premiere always uses the original files during export. Proxies only improve editing performance, not final quality. And that's it. You now know how to properly create and use proxies with the correct format, frame size, and location settings in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.